This is Emily from the Atha Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make these neat, tiny origami boxes. So to make our boxes, we need 2 pieces of square paper. You can make this out of printer paper, origami paper, or anything you'd like. To make a lid and a bottom, we will need one of our pieces of paper to be just slightly bigger than the other. So you can use a pair of scissors and cut it down to size. Just make sure that it is still a square. So let's get started on our box. With our first piece of paper, we're going to fold it in half in one direction. If you're using a patterned piece of paper, you put the pattern face down before you start to fold. Make your folds nice and crisp. You're gonna open that up, then fold the other way in half. Try and line up your edges the best you can. Again, nice and crisp fold. We're gonna open that up again, and now we're gonna bring all 4 corners into the center. So that looks like this. Corner number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. And now you should have a smaller square. For our next step, we're going to take our bottom edge and bring that up to the center point that we've made with our last folds. So that looks just like this. Nice crisp fold. Again, we're going to bring the top edge down and bring it to match the fold that we just did. So right to the center, try and line everything up as best you can, and a nice crisp fold. Now we're going to open both of those folds up, and we're going to take this top triangle here and open that, and open the bottom triangle. Okay, our next step, we're going to take this right edge and bring it into the center. I'm going to turn mine so I can handle it a little easier. So line that right up with the center point. And again, nice crisp fold. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. Bring our edge and bring it all the way over into the center. And a nice crisp fold. So now you'll see that we have a diagonal line here. We're going to fold right on that line. There it is. At a right angle. You should end up with something like that. Again, fold on that line. Here we're going to turn our paper, and we're going to do the same thing to the other side. One fold over, and another fold. And these are going to make some creases for our next step. So at this point, we're going to open our page here, and we're going to tuck in the folds that we've made, and it should start to lift up the top. So you can see from the side that mine has started to do this, and I have a little pocket that I'm folding here. Same thing on the other side. So once you're at this point here, we're gonna fold over this flap all the way over so that that top triangle meets the 2 triangles that were in the center. Give that a nice crease. We'll do that one more time because I know it's tricky. Turn it over, and we're gonna pinch these 2 in to meet in the middle. Give them a nice crease, it will help them go over. And then fold it in. And there you have the bottom of your box. Okay, so we're gonna do that one more time, to make the lid of our box. And there you have the lid to your box. So it should slide right on top. Depending upon how big a difference you had in your paper size, depend on how easy it is to get into the box or make it into a complete